Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your iPhone 13 Pro Max, at the first we have to go for the settings, find Wi-Fi, and as you can see I'm currently connected with this network, but I'm going to switch for the Zenfone 7 Pro. So in this place you will find all available networks that you have on your iPhone. So click on the network that you want to connect and then input your password. When you are sure that the password is correct, you have to click join. And as you can see, after a few moments we are successfully connected and we can open, for example, App Store. As you can see, we are online. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.